Welcome to Starbeam Kids. The more you learn, the brighter you shine. Today, kids, we are going to learn the names of 20 different snakes. Let's start. Kids, this is a cobra. It is very poisonous and dangerous. We can easily recognize it by its hood. This is a crate. It is mostly active at night and is highly venomous. This is Russell's viper. It is short, fat, and very poisonous for humans. This is a sand boa. It is non-poisonous and usually hides under the sand. This is a python. It is one of the biggest snakes in the world. It kills its prey by squeezing tightly. This is a green tree snake. It lives on trees and is very light and thin. This is a sea snake. It lives in water and is very poisonous. This is a corn snake. It is non-poisonous, very colorful, and often kept as a pet. This is an Indian rock python, also called ajgar. It is very large and swallows its prey. Who This is a rat snake, also called damin. It is harmless and helps farmers by eating rats in the fields. This is a banded krait. Its body has black and yellow stripes. It is highly venomous. This is a trinket snake. It is a colorful, shiny, and beautiful snake. This is a checkered keelback. It lives near water and is non-poisonous. This is a red sand boa. It is reddish-brown in color and is non-poisonous. This is a black mamba. It is one of the fastest snakes in the world. This is a green mamba. It is bright green and very venomous. This is a wolf snake. It is non-poisonous and is often found near houses. This is a vine snake. It is very thin, green in color, and looks just like a vine. This is an anaconda. It is one of the largest snakes in the world. It lives in water and can swallow very big animals. This is a hognose snake. It has a nose that looks like a pig's snout and is non-poisonous. See you soon in the next learning video, only on Starbeam Kids. The more you learn, the brighter you shine.